Greatest sound you'll hear all day. What is up, guys? So today we are out here and the Baikalbass has done it again for us. I'm gonna show you what's going on. So it looks okay, right? But when you pull this first guide out, it's nice and straight. But we ran into a little problem. The little tip is a little foldy. Hasn't broken off, but hey, we're gonna repair that today using a little do-it-yourself rod tip repair kit, and I'll show you guys how. So first things first, we extended our section of the rod that needs to be repaired, and what we want to do, this way, focus. See all the splintered ends? We're gonna cut before the splintered ends using a Dremel. That way that we make sure there's no weak points. So let's go ahead and get this set up. So after we found our frays, we're gonna grab this end with a pair of needle nose pliers for safety and to keep it stable. And we're simply gonna just Dremel this little piece off. Ta-da! So now we have no fraying over here or any weak points. And then just gotta crack one of these open and find out what size we need. And it looks like we have a winner. Our 6/64, the smallest one, is gonna be our perfect fit. So now, all we gotta do is use a little bit of adhesive and attach it. This does come with some rod cement, but I'm just gonna use my own specialty glue because this looks like you have to melt it down. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this off and attach a healthy glob of glue. Boop, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and slide this bad boy right on so. And there you have it. That pretty much looks good. It's nice and solid fit. And since it's telescoping, you don't really have to line it up because it spins. So we just gotta let that dry, wipe off the excess, and we're good. So next time your rod tip breaks or bends, just do it yourself. And cool. Looks like our Baikalbass rod is back in action. Let's see here. Gave that time to dry. And no more rod tip flex. Good stuff. If you guys like these videos and anything else about fishing, because I do everything from fishing to repairs, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Hope this helps someone out.